Hi, Namaste, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to give a look on 100 most commonly used English words, and not only that, I am going to give you the example of that word. Okay? So, without any delay, let's get into the video. But before that, I want to tell you 3 points on why it is really important to build up your vocabulary, why you need to learn English words. If you know the importance of learning English words, then you will find it important, and at the same time, you will understand why I am stressing upon learning more and more words and building up your vocabulary. The first point why I prefer you to learn vocabulary is that to articulate your thoughts in a brief manner. Whatever thoughts are running in your mind, you need to express them. Only if you express them, the other person will be able to understand. In order to express them, you need some words, right? You need some words in order to share your thoughts, share your ideas, and share your opinions on a particular topic or on a particular matter in a conversation. This is the first thing that will be useful to you to articulate your thoughts. In this way, vocabulary plays a very vital role. The more words you know, the more strong your vocabulary is going to be. The second thing why I stress upon learning vocabulary is that vocabulary is like a supplement, is like a vitamin to your English language speaking skills. Understood? It means that the more you are supplementing your English language with these words, the more your English language, the structure of the English language is going to build up. The more you intake it, the more you are going to gain it, and the results are going to be fruitful. And the third reason why I tell you to build up vocabulary is that learning English is going to be fun. Yes, the more you know, the more you learn new words, then you are going to just play with English words. Each and every word is going to have so many alternatives. When you are going to expand your vocabulary, then automatically you are going to replace the new words with the old ones, and you are going to use new phrases in place of the old phrases that you are using. You will just enjoy this process of learning English more when you are learning new words every day. And now, without any delay, I am going to give you 100 words. Before that, I want to remind you that already I have done a video on 100 most commonly used English words which are equal to 50% of the English language. I recommend you to watch that video for sure. I'm going to provide it in the iCards. Definitely watch that and continue watching this video because that is a super basic thing that you need to learn. And in this video, I am going to divide 100 words into common sections and I am going to tell you. These are very common words that you need to know. If you are a super beginner, if you are very new to English language, then this video will be very useful to you. Please continue watching. I, I, I am a woman. We, we, we are Indians. You, you are not a kid anymore. They, they, they are students. He, he, he is a teacher. She, she, she is a doctor. It, it is a pen. All the 7 words that I have pronounced now are called as pronouns. In place of noun or in place of names, we use these. Now let us see some of the questioning words that are used when you want to ask any questions. Okay? Why? Why? Why are you standing here? What? What? What are you doing? How? How? How are you going to go? Who? Who? Who scolded you? When? When? When are you going out to play? Where? Where? Where do you want to go? Which? Which? Which pen would you choose? Which pen would you choose? Whose? Whose? Whose pen is this? Whom? Whom? With whom are you talking? Next, let us see some of the questioning tags. Isn't it? Isn't it? They told you are going to get married. Isn't it? Haven't you? Haven't you? You have finished your homework. Haven't you? Don't you? Don't you? You like pizza. Don't you? Won't you? You will be there on time. Won't you? Can't you? Can't you? Drop me near the bus stop. Can't you? Wouldn't you? You will go to the grocery store. Wouldn't you? Shouldn't you? Shouldn't you? You should study now. Shouldn't you? Couldn't you? Couldn't you? You could bring a glass of water. Couldn't you? Now let us see some of the one word, single word answers that you can use when you are a beginner. Yes. 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 I agree with you. No. No. I don't agree with you. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your help. Okay. You can also say welcome. Thank you so much for your help. Welcome. Fine. Fine. How are you? Fine. I'm fine. Good. Good. How was your day? Good. It was good. Please come to the party. Sure. I will. Sure. I will. Absolutely. Absolutely. Do you think he is blaming? Absolutely. Absolutely, he is blaming. Of course. Of course. Do you think are we going in the correct route? Of course. Of course. I have traveled in this way so many times. Not at all. Not at all. Are you feeling uneasy? Not at all. Now let us see some of the names of the buildings. House. House. I saw a to-let board near that house. Home. Home. My home is a sweet home. School. School. What's the name of your school? Hospital. Hospital. Where's the nearby hospital? Office. Office. I go to office by walk. Hotel. Hotel. Can you recommend me a best hotel? Park. Park. I need to go to the park for a walk. Bank. Bank. Can you tell me where the bank is? Library. Library. Can you drop me near the library? Temple. Temple. Do you go to temple? Church. Church. Do you go to church? Mosque. Mosque. Muslims go to mosque. Stadium. Stadium. We have a big stadium near PM Palam, Vishakhapatnam. Theater. Theater. Do you prefer watching movies in a theater? Restaurant. Restaurant. I want to visit the best restaurant. Shopping mall. Shopping mall. In which shopping mall do you prefer shopping? Airport. Airport. You need to take right to go to the airport. Railway station. Railway station. Vishakhapatnam is one of the cleanest railway stations. Now, let us see some of the names of the places. City. City. Vishakhapatnam is a city. Town. Town. Do you live in a town? Village. Village. I live in a village. Country. Country. I love my country. Continent. Continent. Asia is a continent. Island. Island. Andaman and Nicobar is an island. Mountain. Mountain. Mount Everest is the biggest mountain in Asia. Hill. Hill. I think we need to walk till we reach the top of the hill. Hills are a little bit less in height than that of mountains. Desert. Desert. Rajasthan is a desert. A desert is a place where you do not find water, and that particular area is not used for cultivation. Okay. Plateau. Plateau. Vishakhapatnam is situated in the Deccan Plateau. Forest. Forest. There is a forest nearby my village. River, river. Gowthami is the name of a river. Do you know it? Ocean, ocean. India is surrounded by oceans on three sides. Beach, beach. I want to go to beach. Garden, garden. I have a beautiful garden. Farm, farm. My farm is nearby. Now let us see some names of food. Apple, apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Banana, banana. Eat one banana a day. Pizza, pizza. I don't like to eat pizza. Pasta, pasta. I never ate pasta till date. Sandwich, sandwich. What would you prefer? Sandwich or roti? Burger, burger. Have you ever eaten burger? Chicken, chicken. Do you eat chicken? Fish, fish. Do you eat fish? You can also ask, do you eat seafoods? Okay, seafoods. Soup, soup. I love to drink tomato soup during rainy days. Bread, bread. Roasted bread is my favorite breakfast. Cheese, cheese. Do you like to have cheese? Cake, cake. I love cakes. Ice cream, ice cream. I prefer to eat ice cream as a dessert. Chocolate, chocolate. I used to eat a lot of chocolates. Cookies, cookies. My baby prefers to eat cookies. Let us see some of the names of the fruit. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Banana. Eat one banana a day. Orange. Orange. Sometimes orange is mistaken by mandarin. Strawberry. Strawberry. Do you like to eat strawberry? Grape. Grape. Yesterday I visited a grapevine. Pineapple. Pineapple. I used to eat pineapple. Watermelon. Watermelon. I prefer to eat watermelon. Mango. Mango. I like to eat mango pickle. Kiwi. Kiwi. Have you ever eaten kiwi? Peach. Peach. I have never eaten peach. Lemon. Lemon. My sister is fond of lemons. Avocado. Avocado. I heard that avocado is the very healthiest fruit. Papaya. Papaya. I love to eat papayas. Let us see some of the names of the vegetables. Okay? Vegetables. Carrot. Carrot. I eat carrot. Potato. Potato. Potato curry is my husband's favorite dish. Onion. Onion. Onion? No. Onion. I eat onions. Lettuce. Lettuce. Yesterday, my mother cooked lettuce. Cucumber. Cucumber. Do you eat raw cucumber? Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Sometimes I have bell pepper. Broccoli. Broccoli. I don't know how to cook broccoli. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. How do you like to eat cauliflower? Cabbage. Cabbage. I'm not very fond of cabbage, but I eat it. Zucchini. Zucchini. I ate zucchini only one. Eggplant. Eggplant. I love to eat eggplant. Yes. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. We harvested pumpkin last week. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Yesterday only my mother steamed sweet potato. It tasted really good. Radish. Radish. I prefer to eat radish only when it is cooked along with kidney beans. Otherwise, I won't eat radish. Green beans. Green beans. Tomorrow I am planning to cook green beans. Peas. Peas. Whenever I make biryani, I will definitely add peas. Corn. Corn. Do you like to have popcorn or sweet corn? Put it in the comments.